This is our high-speed capsule filling machine, NJP-3800D. It can fill powder, pellet, granule into hollow capsule, size 000-5. Fully meets CGMP, CE, USA and European Union standards. More stable operation and faster speed. It is your first choice for mass production. Max output 228,000 pieces per hour. It is the latest D model. Adopts modular design. The full set modes changing only in 15 minutes. Built-in can structure, more stable running, low noise. We are trusted by Fortune 500, committed to precise testing and quality assurance to ensure your product meet high quality standards. With skilled workers, professional process equipment, sufficient inventory. To purchase capsule filling machine, contact RichPacking.